almost lost my wig. It's getting a little hot. I'm about to turn the fan. Hello, beauties. Krista here. And right now I am serving you no makeup. Why? Because I don't wear makeup anymore. Who am I kidding? Today I'm going to show you how I recreated Rihanna's Vogue makeup tutorial. So, stay tuned. Okay, you all, so it looks like the first step she used is her Fenty foundation, which is what I'm going to use also. I am in the shade 420, and she just took a little bit and she pumped on her hand, okay? Oh wait, sis didn't put on any primer or moisturizer.
We're gonna start with the foundation, so.
Which is also something I wouldn't do. Okay, whatever. This isn't about what CHRISTA does today. This is about what Rihanna does. Okay, this is what she does. She had her beauty blender and she was just patting that in there. Did I get foundation in my hair? Wait a minute, wait. I thought I felt, okay, you know what? Let's just push that to the back, okay. I'm also using natural sunlight today. I didn't want to use my artificial ring light. I just want to stand in front of a window and do it that way and see how that works. I love natural sunlight, especially when doing my makeup. That one pump did half her face. She went in with a little bit more Fenty. So I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more Fenty, but not too much, girl, cause you ain't sending me no products to do this. So, but one day you will. You know what? This is going to be my manifestation video because I am recreating Rihanna's Vogue tutorial, and I just want to go ahead and speak into existence that one day I am going to have a CHRISTA's Vogue tutorial. People are going to be recreating mine. Okay, let's continue. Putting on my Fenty foundation because it's black owned and I love it, yeah. Okay, so the next step, it looks like she went in with a cream contour, all right? Whew, okay, girl, listen, I never cream contour. I mean, I have some cream contour, but I typically stay away from creams just because I have oily skin and creams are not always my friend, but I do like to have a little bit, you know, because you never know when I may want to switch it up. And I definitely do not contour before I highlight. I just can't do it, but we're gonna do it today. We're gonna do it today. Okay, so she contoured. She went into her cheek. She did her forehead. And she also contoured her nose, which is something else I never do. I said that in my first makeup tutorial video. If you missed that video, I will link it right here. Go check it out. Thank you. But I guess I'm going to contour this nose today. Let's go.
And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy.
Ooh, okay. And then like that. She also contoured her chin right here. And to blend that contour, she used a brush.
I learned how to contour when I gained weight, believe it or not. That's when it comes in real handy. Them fat days and your cheeks looking like baby cheeks, you just got like, see that look?
Like diamonds in the sky. What are the words? What is my favorite Rihanna song? What is the name of that song? What is it? Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna get to sing it. I'm not even gonna do that.
I like to do all the deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. I see like this is a little messy right now, but I'll handle that. You always want to do a triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck situation. It just disappears.
It looks like the next thing Ree did is she took her concealer and she says she warms it up on her hand, okay? All right, I guess we're warming it up. Are you warm? Are you hot? Are you ready? Okay. She did one swipe. Yes, that is the only place she put her highlight. And then she went in.
Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and hangovers and bad decisions. All right here, the cure.
One of my friends who watched my video texted me and said, "Why is your beauty blender so big?" Huge beauty blender, extra large. Girl, she's thick. She's not using extra concealer to highlight her nose. I guess she's just using the leftover product from her beauty blender. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take this down the middle of my nose. But I'm not mad at it so far. The next thing she's doing, she's putting on powder. She didn't specify what kind of powder. So I'm just going to go in with a little highlighting powder.
Mattifying this face a little bit because things can get out of control. I use this powder to set my contour, to set my makeup.
Now she is going in with a little bronzer to deepen up that contour a little bit.
So I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer and I go right over that contour. The blend is real. A little more finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating.
And now Rihanna went and did her brows off camera. Brows. Hi. Y'all, the sun is literally going down right now. I'm trying to beat sunlight. Okay. Oh, also, Rihanna, girl, she didn't put any eyeshadow primer or anything on. She just went straight in.
And next, I am gonna use the same bronzer and warm up my eyes a little bit. You can see my eye just start to come to life a little bit. See that?
Next, it looked like she went in with like a pinky eye shadow look. Oh, okay, so I had to turn on my ring light just a little bit because the sun, I'm losing the sun.
I'm gonna start with the pink on the lids because it says summer, sunset, love, drama, bitches. I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just wanna go right by the lash line. But like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you're gonna get all those little bags right there.
This is where it gets a little interesting, okay? She used the same color on her eyes for her highlight. let's see how this works for me. Okay.
I'm gonna use the same palette. Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze, like a little hint. And then sometimes you just want to go ape, like right now.
So that purple shade that she went in with is supposed to serve more as a blush. And then she's now using another angle brush to apply some more highlights. To me, these are just extra highlights. I mean, they're all super shimmery. Yeah, so I'm going to go in with the kind of like the same shade she used for my cheeks, which is pretty bright. We know that Rihanna is known for her super bright highlights, but let's do it.
I want to try some of this. See that? And I can get really carried away when it comes to highlight.
Let me take a step back a bit so you can see this from a distance. Oh my God. So she also did her nose highlight really bright like she did her cheeks. So we're gonna just go down like that. Boom. Underneath those brow bones. I'm glistening. I look like a Krispy Kreme donut. The red light is on me. So the next thing she did is that she added a little inner corner highlight of her eyes, on her eyes. And it looks like it's like a silver color. I'm going to take this and just pop it in the, whoa, Krista. Wait a minute, girl. Okay, this is what happens when you buy things because they're pretty and it just sits around and you try to throw it into like a makeup tutorial and you've never even used it. Okay, but we're gonna work it out. We're gonna get it together. You know what, Riri? I'm gonna have to just let it go. Let it go.
I like to do the corner of my eyes because it gives you a little zest.
She did her lashes off camera, so I went and added a little mascara. And for her lips, she used like this pinky gold foil lip gloss. Okay, I don't have one of those, but once again, you know, I'm going to try to be creative and mix two products I have together to achieve the look that she has. Now listen, this may or may not work. I know you're probably like, Krista, you just tried this eye thing, which I was able to get rid of and clean it up. It has like a little hint of silver sparkle in my highlight, not too much. I was able to work with it. It's real subtle, but you see it, it's there. Okay, I'm not gonna let one failure stop me from making another one.
Oh! Guys, I mean, you guys. Look at that.
Stick with me, I know. And I'm gonna go in with this shimmer. This isn't even really made for your lips. I'm just gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it, y'all. Fail. Okay, this ain't it. I'm trying here, okay? I don't have all the Fenty products. I wish I had all the Fenty products to do this with, but I don't. So we're improvising. This is an American Horror Story. Maybe if I line it with like some brown liner. I mean, at this point, what can hurt? Okay. All right. I think the brown liner helped a little bit. I mean, she's still a little bit too bright. But she's better. She's better. I think this is it for me. I think this is it for me. Okay, beauties. So that concludes my take on the Rihanna Vogue makeup tutorial. I definitely think it would have came out a bit better had I had all of the products that she used, especially the ones that she used from her line. The colors, as you can see, are not all the same, but I do like the fact that the eyes match her eyes. They're purple. I was able to achieve like the really shimmery highlight that she had, but the lips, girl, problem. Okay, yeah, I had fun filming this. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.